Poem about nature. Students will be able to learn key words and understand main ideas from this poem. The Way Through the Woods, Rudyard Kipling. They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you would never know. There was once a road through the woods before they planted the trees. It is underneath the coppice and heath and the thin anemones. Only the keeper sees that where the ringdove broods and the badgers roll at ease, there was once a road through the woods. Yet, if you enter the woods of a summer evening late, when the night air cools on the trout-ringed pools, where the otter whistles his mate, they fear not men in the woods, because they see so few. You will hear the beat of a horse's feet and the swish of a skirt in the dew, steadily cantering through the misty solitudes. As though they perfectly knew the old lost road through the woods, but there is no road through the woods. This poem describes a path that was once used by people but was shut down 70 years ago. In that time that has passed, trees grew high into the air and the path was covered by greenery. These days, humans take over so much land and build cities filled with concrete. Think about the busiest highway in your town. What was there before the road? Was it forest, prairie, or maybe even a pond? If we were to disappear today, over time, all the big cities, stores, and houses would eventually be taken back by nature. This poem exemplifies this phenomenon. In the very last line, the author writes, "The old lost road through the woods, but there is no road through the woods." In this sentence, he is emphasizing that there once was a road, but since it has not been used for many years, it actually no longer exists. Nature has completely taken it over. The author talks about many different animals that have inhabited the road. Otters, trout, doves, and more now occupy the area. The presence of wild animals truly represents a place untouched by man. In short, this poem is about the power of nature. It shows that no matter what humans create, eventually nature will take it over again.